Red onion and lemon combo. Can a simple mix of red onion and lemon transform your vitality? Let's look at the science on this board. First, it targets improved circulation. Red onions help boost nitric oxide production, which dilates blood vessels to improve blood flow directly to essential organs, enhancing sensitivity. Second, this combo aids in hormonal balance, offering natural support to regulate testosterone and estrogen levels. Third, you get a noticeable stamina and energy boost. The natural compounds help combat oxidative stress, reducing physical fatigue when you need performance most. Fourth, it provides targeted libido support, delivering crucial micronutrients like selenium and minerals that naturally stimulate desire and arousal. Finally, it delivers antioxidant protective effects, packed with quercetin and vitamin C. This recipe fights cellular damage to keep your reproductive health at its absolute peak.